Well, if you're new here, my name's Jacob and this is Broken Arrow Garage, and we're taking a 2002 Nissan Xterra supercharged four-wheel drive. We're putting a 1964 Datsun 320 body on it. And if you watched the last video, you know the next step is, camera 2 please, to take this body off. I've already started removing some of the wire harness and parts of the dash, but today we're going to get all the body mounts unbolted and start seeing what we can section off to make this a little bit more easier to handle. So first step is to finish with this wiring removal and then attack these cab mount bolts. One. Two. Looks like that connector's a little broke. Ways. Alright, all the body mount bolts that I can see are out. I'm going to keep messing with this wire harness, see how far I can get it. And then we're going to start chopping sections and go from there until we get up to the dash, remove the dash, start chopping more sections, see what we can remove. I just think that's going to be the easiest way versus trying to lift this cab all at once. Just make it more manageable, especially because I'm the only one here. Alright, I got the wire harness pulled back, so there's nothing running on top of the body here. It's all pulled forward. There's part of the wire harness still connected to the frame. I'm gonna leave that there. I believe I have everything disconnected from the body at least, so try to use the hacksaw as much as possible, just because I don't really like using a grinder. I've had them explode before, and with how much cutting I'm gonna do, I don't want one to explode. So we'll see how well this works. And that's why you look before you cut. I just cut through some fuel lines, so that's cool. Taped up those fuel lines. They were just, I guess, vent lines to the filler neck. I've added some blocks underneath the body right here, just to make sure I don't cut the frame or anything else stupid. So. Looks like there's metal I did not cut. Let me see if I have a longer blade. Ah, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. Stand back. I'm at a good stopping point for right now. I got most of this disconnected. I gotta get the wire harnesses through the firewall one way or the other. this portion of the video is sponsored by Coors Light and Bad Decisions. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe for me. Like, comment, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Preferably, I don't want to hear what I'm doing right. I know what I'm doing right, I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. Back in action. Put the money in my butt.
She's at home starving.
I know.
Get your ass home and cook everything. You better watch what you say, too. She's gonna be watching that video.
We just turn it off. It's cold shit in here. Y'all aren't excited. We're doing stuff. Matter of fact, act like we're doing something for the video.
Yeah. Is there a video on?
Stay in the stream.
We're about to have Drunk Kenny in here.
What the fuck are y'all doing? About damn time, you big brother. Sorry helping out. And it's deep down.
Is it on the driver's side?
Yeah.
Okay.
What you gotta do is you gotta go deeper. Story of his life.
You motherfuckers make good money off of doing computers.
Fucking brown.
Yeah, well, all I can say is.
Maybe if it wasn't for these two right here, that would be. Yeah, everybody gets a picture or a shirt of Max eating the table. That's what I'm gonna flash that picture on the video right there.
Hey, I'll tell you what, you motherfuckers. The guys at the supply house
Hey, that's
have been wearing me out.
I'll tell you what.
Edit this all out. All of it.
Oh my god.
All of it must come out.
You got the video going again?
Yeah! I said that when you walked in.
Where's it at?
It's right there.
Start here.
Don't put me back on there.
Yeah, you're gonna hurt back on there now.
And I said the F word.
He can't get his hands dirty, you know it.
Now I gotta wash them. Is that where you keep your tennis balls at?
There's 2 or 3 of them back there.
3 balls, that's wild.
Yeah.
They're all tuned.
They're all too well, I guess that's how you get the 6 inches.
It depends on finding how long before I release them. Bigger.
I feel that.
What are we talking about? Your balls? Oh my god.
It's
Nuts.
ruptured.
This one.
You had a ball rupture?
Yeah.
Ew.
Dude, I just would have, no. See, I would have passed away.
That ends your.
Yeah, that's game over, dude.
No, you walk around like
Got a drink
this,
before you
like this.
Before you know it, you're gonna have to put fake tits on your old lady.
Yeah.
Shit, boy, it's almost tax season.
Oh, yeah. Still picking it up.
Right where those over the drop check.
Well, you just fucked everything up.
There's supposed to be a car up there.
Right. No shit. Hell no. Barely. Look at the hang on about change.
Everybody's moving. Michael's way over there now, he said,
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah. These straps. Front of them.
Worried about where it's picking up and it starts being.
Yeah.
It's so bad. It's kind of serious.
Bart?
Nah, this is skipping along your tire there, holding your tire.
Was it?
And it finally ran over. Good thing it was in Milwaukee, the right would have been destroyed.
Close the door, Jacob. Let no heat out.
You getting tired?
These tiny little batteries last about 10 seconds, so.
Yeah.
That
So
should
you
be
need
enough.
one like four.
Oh,
It looks a little different.
yeah. I like it.
One hell of a fucking night hanging out with Jacob. If y'all like it, y'all.